Bobbity box. Unboxing. So this is the, hold on, I have to look. This is the Fantasy Monthly box. It is $59. It was $66.99 with shipping. This is the July box, right? Because it's August. This is the July box. And I did cancel my subscription, so this is the last Bibbity Bobbity box that I'm gonna get. I think that instead of spending the money on this, I'm just gonna buy things that I want because I just haven't been like super impressed. I feel like I had a couple good things in my boxes, but not like $66 worth. So let's see what's inside. All right, so this is what we see. Oh, and of course like the little glitter stuff is like flying everywhere. Let's look at the papers. So two things came. It says, a little smile goes a long way. Remember, you're the one that can fill the world with sunshine. I feel like this is the third time I've got this. But, and it says, your box was curated with love by Mom B. And then we have the, with the little stuff falling out, we have the spoiler card. This is really cute. It's Minnie and Daisy having tea. So we'll save that to the end to see what the value of the box is. And then here's the box. Just rip it open with all the foozles and stuff. Oh, okay, so this is the first item and it looks like spoons. So let's see. Oh, these are cute. These are, I think these are the 3 cabaneros. They are, oh my gosh, these are so cute. So these are wooden spoons with the 3 cabaneros. So Jose, Panchito, and Donald. Those are super cute. I have never seen these before. Let's see. It says, from your friends at Foothills Forge. So I don't know if these are a Parks exclusive item or they're even sold in the parks, but look at that. They're super cute. I will definitely get use out of these. I do cook a lot. So these are really, really fun. I'm super excited about these. Next in my box, oh my gosh, I see what it is. Next in my box is this, and I think it's another wallet, which is funny because I have like, I think like 5 Disney wallets now, and this is actually the 3 cabaneros. I can tell by looking at it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, so this is a Loungefly wallet, and it has, it's like a little zipper wallet. It is hot pink here, which I love, and then I can't quite tell if this is like a blue or if it's kind of a purple. I can't quite tell, but it's perforated, which is kind of cool. And then it has the 3 cabaneros on it again with like confetti and what are those called? This is so cute. It has these like little shaker things on there. I can't remember what those things are called. Maracas? Is that what they're called? And then like a guitar. There's like confetti and umbrellas on there. It's super cute. And then on the inside, oh, I like this. I love this. So it's just a zippy wallet, and then it has a little pouch here, and then card slots. So there's 4 of them, and the little thing for ID, and then another like little slot here. So this is actually really perfect for me because I don't carry very much cash and I never carry change. So this is a great little wallet. I love the size. It's just about the size of my hand. The colors, 3 cabaneros, like that ride is like my favorite ride. This is super cute. I'm really happy with this. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in the box. I'm guessing there's not. There is not. So let's look. Okay, so let's look at the spoiler. Let's see what it says. Okay, so it says, Foothills Forge, Bibbity exclusive, custom laser engraved 3-piece utensil set was $34.99. Seems a little expensive, but we'll go with it. The Loungefly Disney 3 cabaneros zip around wallet, $40. So the retail value was $74.99, and I paid, what did I pay? $66.99. So the value is there. There is a note on here. It says, so sorry you have not enjoyed all your boxes. Probably using the wish list is the best tool for you. For some of our subscribers, it's better for them to pick things they might enjoy and using the wish list each month. Thanks much. Which is funny that they said that, because the reason why I didn't enjoy last month's box is because I received something that was not on my preferences, and that was why I didn't enjoy it. So I think it's probably best for now that I canceled my subscription. And like it says on here, for some subscribers it's better to pick the things they might enjoy and using the wish list each month, which if that's the route that I'm gonna go, I'd rather just buy the items versus like doing it through Bibbity, because you can buy the items just as easily, I guess. So anyway, I think it's probably best that I did cancel my subscription. I do enjoy this box. I don't know if the value is really there. I think that $34 for these is kind of pushing it. I wouldn't spend $34 on these, would you? I don't know. I'm really happy with the wallet though. Super cute, but I mean the reality is like I spent $67 and I got these 2 items. What do you think? Did I get my value out of it? I don't know. Tell me in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!